Hi, I'm Joan Maloney. I specialise in weight loss nutrition. I'm 14 years qualified and I'm 14 years practicing in my own clinic, learning so much from men and women like you. I take an holistic approach to weight loss because it's never just a simple case of eating less and moving more to lose weight. There are always factors that drive our weight gain, and I help you to cope better with these. Some people can be put off from starting because they feel they have so much weight to lose. Take a long-term view, and I put periods of maintenance in between periods of weight loss to ensure that the weight does not all go on again once you're finished with me. It really works for some people to be accountable, and you have daily accountability when you work with me. You use a food app, and that makes you very aware of when and what you are eating. Education is very important, and by the time you've finished your 10-week program with me, we will have covered these 10 topics. I lost 3 stone myself, over 3 stone, 15 years ago now, and I've kept it off. And what I like to say to clients is, I fight a daily battle with weight, but from the slim end. One-on-one motivation really gets results because you can't give up. You commit to a 10-week program and you need that time to make the habit changes. You become my project, and I take every project very seriously and very personally, and it is going to be enjoyable. So what have you got to lose? Except weight. So check out my website, www.justweight.ie, to read a little bit more, and you can have a look at my recipes there as well. Or call me for a chat, 086 316 7041. So I take a call with every client before formally taking them on. And the best of luck to you.